How to verify Temu account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your Temu account. Verifying your Temu account refers to adding a valid phone number to your Temu account. To do so, first of all, you need to open your Temu application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. At the bottom, you will find various icons. Tap on the U icon at the central button below. Once you tap on it, now you will be taken to this page. In this page at the top right, you will be able to see the gear or the settings icon. Tap on your settings icon and once you reach to the settings page, here on the top you will be able to see account security option. Tap on this account security and once doing that, you will be taken to this page. Here you will get the option mobile phone number and at the right side you will be able to see add button. Go ahead and tap on add button and now you will need to enter your valid mobile number. Tap on this country code box and here select the correct country code. Once you select your country code, now tap on this phone number box and enter your valid phone number. Once you have entered your phone number, now you can tap on this submit button. After that, here a pop-up window will appear, where you will need to tap on this OK button. Now a verification code will be sent to your phone number. Wait for the code and once you get the code, you will need to enter it in this box. After you enter it here, you will be able to add a phone number to your Temu account. So by following these steps, you should be able to verify your Temu account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.